You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This is an Irish Gaelic word meaning night. So how do you say night, the night, in Irish? If you want to learn how to say good night, there's a video coming up for you. Iha. Alright, I know the spelling is always a bit confusing, but it's easy. Alright, let's break it down. E, just like double E, E, ha. Iha is how you say night in English, in Irish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.